Hey everyone, here's another custom built vehicle. This is a 1958 Plymouth Fury based on a 1983 horror movie Christine. That's what a car looked like when Arnold Cunningham, the school nerd, also known as Artie, I guess nickname Artie, found Christine abandoned in the field. This is the Motormax version, not the Auto Art. This is what I start off with, a clean Plymouth Fury, and this is what it ends up with. I've used some airbrushing, some hand painting, and a lot of details. As you see, the opens featuring trunk, doors, and a hood. Again, you can see the rust all over, the front cracked windshield just like in the movie, the for sale sign on the side, and the rag top covering the gas tank. I've also had working lights with this model, which Motormax, which Auto Art does not offer. Got the front headlights with a bumper hanging down with a plate also hanging sideways. In the interior, you got the green dashboard light, and on the rear you have the working tail lights with a bumper that's rusted out and hanging. This car is taking me quite some time to put together. I don't remember last time I built it. It was sometimes last year. So I don't do it too often as the Motormax discontinued this model, so they're getting harder and harder to find, so I build them as I find them. You see the interior has also been not rusted out, but weathered. It'll be up on eBay shortly, so feel free to bid. It does come with its box. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I usually answer within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Great car, great car. Thank you.